Hi, this is a quick demo of our stock and inventory software. If you already have an account, then you can log in either using your username and password, or use sign-in with Google so that no password is required. If you do not have a Google account, then you can click the sign up link to create an account. Once you successfully logged in, you can update your company details if required. For that, go to Navigation menu, and then click Organization. Note that, you cannot change your email address. If you want to change your phone number, click the phone icon at top right. You need to verify using OTP. I'll take you through the settings. You can change the theme, visible modules etc. from General Settings. Visible modules are the tabs shown in the main screen. Don't forget to click the Save button, otherwise it won't be loaded next time. Now let us check the knowledge base. This can help you to find answers for your questions. We will keep this updated time to time. For example, if you want to know how to allow selecting previous date in invoice, search for something like previous. You will find an answer. If you open it, you can see an explanation about how to enable it. IMS have a modules section, from where you can find all the modules. It allows multiple users for plus and business plans. You can create new users from user module. Before that, you need to create a user group, which can control the user's access to each module. Once you create a user group, you can then create a new user and set the access. You can change the theme, visible modules etc. from General Settings. Visible modules are the tabs shown in the main screen. If you want to edit any record, you can click on that record to open the editor. The very first step of using an inventory software is adding your products. Let us check how to add a new product. The steps are already mentioned in Knowledge Base. If you want, you can go through it. Basically, you need to go to Items tab, then click the plus button to create new item. You need to fill all the fields and then click Save button. If you missed any mandatory fields, it will be highlighted in red color. You cannot leave such fields empty. You can either type the HSN code directly or you can pick one from the list. Then you can pick a category from your list, or if you don't have, you can click the plus button to create new category. Sub-items are useful when you need to sell multiple items as single product or combo. Go through the knowledge base for more details. You can use the minimum stock field to get alert when stock limit reaches. The next step is adding stock. You can either add your purchase details or you can add using stock module. Stock module is mainly to adjust the stock like wastage etc. Now you are ready for billing. You can create an invoice from Invoice tab. Click the plus button and fill the details. Customer field is not mandatory, so you can leave it if not required. You can either pick an existing product by clicking the Save Search icon which you added earlier, or, if you want, you can add new product from here itself by clicking the plus button. Once you added all details, you can either save your invoice or click the Print button to save and print invoice. Once it is saved, you can click on the three dots to edit, cancel or print invoice. By default, invoice doesn't allow to select previous date. You can change this from settings. Such settings are saved to server, so you need to reload your application once you save your settings. On web, you can hit Ctrl plus F5 to reload. Now, when you create a new invoice, you can see the date field restrict you to select previous dates. Last but not least, as I mentioned earlier, most of your questions can be answered by knowledge base. If you have any unanswered question, don't hesitate to contact our support.